Hey Lobos, it's Ian Wells here. Thanks for tuning in to Back to School Night. Appreciate your time. We'll just run through a little bit about myself and then the classes that I teach here at Rocky. So a little bit about myself. This is my third year at Rocky. I graduated from Rocky in 2007. My fifth year teaching overall, but I've been in education for about the last 8. I've also coached baseball here at Rocky, and I've been doing that for about the last 13 years. I really love this place. I think it's a amazing opportunity for students and just to get the support and awesome education that we provide here at Rocky. Here at Rocky, we kind of have 3 main mottos that we stand by, and that's self-purpose place. So I'm going to follow in those footsteps. My purpose as an educator is to empower students to be the best versions of themselves. I really try to focus on this every day, and this is kind of my why I chose education to become a teacher. Place here's my contact information if you need anything, my office number, my email, and as well as my office if your student needs anything during the day. I'm usually in my office during my playing period and running around putting out fires throughout the day. Again, I think what really makes this place unique is just the idea of self-purpose and place and living every day by the Lobo way. I teach 2 classes here at Rocky as well as a case management period. The 2 classes I teach are 2 code classes. So I teach an Algebra 1 class with Miss Btsn and also a U.S. Lit and Composition class with Mr. Laurie. Algebra 1 is usually a freshman or sophomore math class, and U.S. Lit is a junior level English class. So Algebra 1, Miss Betsson and I plan to do a really good job of creating the course to kind of meet students at all levels, all needs. We support students where they're at when they come through the door and really just try to put forward the best curriculum and content that we can to match each student's needs. We're really focused on kind of the main concepts are algebraically, graphically, numerically, and then putting that into practice. So for real life application. Really, the Algebra 1 course is the foundation or the framework for future math classes, so it's really important to get those skills in order to move on to geometry, Algebra 2, calculus, etc. For U.S. Lit and Comp, kind of our main goal for Mr. Laurier's class is to develop language arts skills through United States literature. We use a project-based learning model. What this looks like is not your traditional, here's your 5-paragraph paper, tell us what you learn from your text, etc. But we really try to look at it through that self-purpose place lens where we're offering students different modalities to connect with. We're offering them different platforms to express themselves and share what they know. It really is a cool and unique way to go about this course. One thing that I really love about it is the student choice piece. So students are able to choose from some different texts in our book groups. They're able to kind of choose the literature that they're interested in. And it really kind of puts the ownership back on the student to, dive into material that they're interested in and then connect with their own lives outside of the classroom. That's about all that I have tonight. If you have any questions or need anything else, please feel free to reach out. Again, my number is on those slides before, but Ms. Betts and Mr. Laurie also have a video about our hotel classes, so feel free to check those out as well. Thanks for your time.